Hi friends, this is the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and today we are making taco soup. And here you are, if you've been here before, you know that I just don't play around. We get the job done just like that. Okay, what we're gonna need is 2 pounds of hamburger, 1 can of corn, 1 can of pinto beans. If you like beans, throw you 2 cans of pinto beans in there. And next, we're going to put in, first I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And I'm going to come back in here later and taste it, because maybe I want to add another one. I don't know yet. Okay, just a minute here. Taco seasoning. Got that in there. 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. We are going to do 4 cups or 32 ounces of beef broth. All right, now mix. All right, now we are going to turn on our crock pot. I'm going to turn mine to high, and then I'm going to cook this for 2.5 hours. If you want to take your time, go ahead and do like 4 to 6, okay, on low. Okay, and that is done. Just give it a stir. So I ended up actually adding 2 more cups of beef broth. So that is a total of 6 cups of beef broth. Okay. And what I did was I made a little bit of cornbread, put some honey in there. But you don't have to do that. Oh, that looks really good. I'm going to put the lid back on it. This is really, really hot. So I just want to kind of get a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Ouch. Okay, yeah, that's pretty hot. Oh my God, this is delicious. I definitely have to put this on rotation. It is easy, quick, budget friendly. Try this one and tell me how you like it, okay? Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Keep cooking, friends. I love you all.